Gulf Coast Grilled Cheese Guru here, and today we are at Dauphin Island exploring. That's why I look hot and windblown. We went bird watching, took Samson for a walk, looked at historical Fort Gaines. Quite the adventure. We worked up an appetite. From the handful of places to choose from on Dauphin Island, we went to Real Deal BBQ and Seafood because it has outdoor only seating, and we had Samson with us. Also, they have grilled cheese on the menu. Let's try the cheesy test. Granted, it turned out to be a normal, uninspiring grilled cheese, but tasty nonetheless. Using the sauce on our barbecue combo was exactly what it needed to give it some zest. It's sweet and tangy, my favorite kind. Samson agrees. Samson and I found it pleasant and relaxing at the picnic table in the windy conditions, especially after a morning of adventure. Real Deal BBQ and Seafood is the perfect place for family vacationers to get lots of tasty food for a decent price after long hours of surf, sun, and sand. Another go-to meal after an exhausting day at the beach is pizza, right? Come with us to our Patreon channel as we explore what was next door: Pirates, Pizza, and Wings. So if you are interested in more of what this Gulf Coast Grilled Cheese Guru has to say, make sure you click the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.